Okay, class, here we go, continuing with multiplying. Now we are multiplying by 2 digits. Okay, multiplying by 2 digits. Okay, so flipping to the next available page in our journal. Okay. This will be for September the 13th, 2017. Multiplying by 2 digits. Okay, now I'm going to show this step by step. So pay very close attention, and when we're doing our work, we are not going to skip a single step. Ready? Okay. Step number 1. Multiply the top number by the digit in the ones place of the bottom number. Okay, so my example today is going to be 84 times 76. Okay? So my steps say to multiply the top number, which is 84, by the digit in the ones place of the bottom number. Well, the digit in the ones place of the bottom number is the 6. So I'm going to multiply 84 times 6. So I'm going to start with the ones column. 6 times 4 is 24, and I have to regroup the 2. Now I have to multiply the tens place. 6 times 8 is 48, plus the 2 that I regrouped, let's not forget that 2, is 50. 48 plus 2 is 50. Okay, so there's step 1. Multiply the top number by the digit in the ones place of the bottom number. Step number 2. Cross out the ones digit. You're finished with that one. And any numbers that were regrouped. Okay? And then here's the very important step, is to drop a 0. Okay? Drop a 0. Okay, so here's what this looks like. We have 84 times 76. Okay? We have, and we had a 2 up here that we regrouped. Okay, so since we are finished with the 6 and we're finished with that 2, we're going to cross those out. And then we're going to drop a 0, and the 0 goes in the ones place down here. Okay? Okay, moving on to step 3. Okay, now we're going to multiply the top number by the digit in the tens place of the bottom number. Okay, so here's what that's going to look like. We have 84 times 76, okay? And we'd already crossed out this, remember? So now, the 7 is in the tens place of the bottom number. So now we are going to multiply the top number by that. And we've got to start in the ones place of the top number. So we're going to go 7 times 4. Oh, and don't forget, we dropped a 0 here. We're going to go 7 times 4 is 28. Regroup the 2. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. Okay, so we multiplied the top number, which is 84, by the digit in the tens place of the bottom number. Okay, step number 4, add. Now you just add them all together. So we have 84 times 76. We have 504 here. We dropped our 0. Put my plus sign here so that I remember that I'm adding. 4, 8, 13. Regroup my 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now some of you are going to remember this from 4th grade, okay? And here are 3 practice problems for you to do at home tonight. Remember, if you need to use another page of your journal, then you can. So we're going to go with 24 times 15. 37 times 63. And then here's a challenge for you. Love challenges. 384 by 45. That's a 3-digit number there by a 2-digit number, but the rules are the same. Let's see if you guys can figure that out. Okay? Now, I want you to remember when you are solving some of these problems. I want you to turn your notebook paper sideways. Turn your notebook paper sideways. Okay? That way we have one column for each place value. So, in other words, a problem like this, 64 times 43. Now I want to show you how easy it is to keep all of your place values straight. Okay? See my lines here? It keeps all my place values straight and I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so 1 digit per column. 4 times 3 is 12. Regroup the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So I have that in the tens column, and then I'm going to move all the way over here for a number in the hundreds column, okay? Cross that out, bring down a 0 in the ones place. Now I'm ready to go with 4 times 4 is 16. Regroup the 1. You see, everything is staying in a column here, guys. This makes your work so much easier. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25, and I'm coming way out here. Okay, and then I'll add them together. 2, 15, 7, and 2. Oops. Okay? This is how I want you to show your work. Turn your notebook paper sideways, give yourself some columns, keep your numbers nice and straight. Okay? So, come tomorrow with those 3 problems completed, and I'll see you in the morning.